In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML code to Elementor. If you're looking to enhance your website's functionality or style by incorporating custom HTML, you're in the right place. We'll walk through this together, ensuring you not only know how to do it but also understand the nuances involved. To begin, let's open up your Elementor editor. It's crucial that you're working within a page or template where you want to add your custom HTML. If you're starting fresh, simply navigate to the WordPress dashboard, hover over the page or post section, and click on Edit with Elementor. This action will bring you to the Elementor workspace, where we'll make all modifications. Once your Elementor interface loads, you'll see the Elements panel on the left. Here, you'll find a wide array of widgets you can use. Now, type HTML into the search bar located in the panel. This will filter the widgets to show just what you need. Click and drag the HTML widget from the Elements panel directly to the area on your page where you want to insert the code. Finding the perfect spot is key, so make sure this is where you want the HTML to live. With the HTML widget in place, the next step is to paste your code. Click on the widget you just placed. It's like opening a small door to input your unique elements. A code field will appear over to the left in the panel. This is your blank canvas, so go ahead and copy your HTML code from whichever source you have it in, be it a text file, another web page, or directly from your notes, and paste it into this field. The beauty of Elementor is that it updates in real time, so as you enter your code, you'll see it instantly applied on the right. Confirm that it looks and functions as you intended. At this point, you're more than halfway to completion. It's important to preview your page to ensure everything is working seamlessly. To do this, click on the eye icon at the bottom of the Elementor panel to open the preview mode. Here, you can interact with the components you've added, verifying that your new HTML integrates perfectly with the existing content. Satisfied with how everything looks? Perfect! Let's return to the Elementor workspace by clicking the Edit button in preview mode. Once back, it's time to save your changes. Click on the green Update button located at the bottom of the Elementor panel. It's always prudent to save frequently when working with code to avoid losing any work. And that's it. You've successfully inserted HTML into your Elementor page. Remember, if you ever need to adjust or remove the HTML, you can easily do so by returning to the Elementor editor, clicking on the HTML widget, and making the necessary changes. Should you encounter any issues or have questions about specific code elements, don't hesitate to look for additional tutorials or forums online that cater to your specific needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!